Hi, you guys. It is your favorite pretty girl peeps, and I'm here to give you guys a quick, promise it's probably going to be less than 5 minutes review of the hair that I have installed in my hair. I got this hair installed by Rooted Beyond Hair. She is located in Westland, Michigan. I'm going to put her information below, so check her out and tell her your favorite pretty girl sent you. So this hair is in a quick weave style, natural quick weave. I got layers cut into it, and I got curls put into it. The curls had fell, and I actually was loving it without the curls. But I just decided I was going to put the curls back in, just a few little light curls, nothing too crazy, because I just like the way this hair lays because it is cut. So let's get to the point. The hair. This hair is pink lemon hair. I had saw it on TikTok, and it's actually one of the recommended bundles that my beautician suggests. So I got 3 bundles for $132 at my local beauty supply in Michigan. So I got the 14, 16, and 18 inch. And this is about where this falls on me. So a little bit below the breast area. So I think it's a really nice length, not like too long, but it's long enough to give the girls some curls, to give the girls straight when you wear it straight. And then I got the deep side part, which you see right there. Well, it's not like a deep side part. It's more just like a side part. Well, we came side part. So like I said, it might not look as good as when my beautician did it because she, of course, is a beautician. This is me kind of re-sprucing it up. So hair quality. So like I said, I got the 3 bundles. It was like a package. I'm going to put a video up here so you guys can see what that looks like. The hair is super nice. Hair is super shiny without being too shiny, super soft. This hair has not tangled one time. And my bonnet be slipping off, and this hair has not tangled at all. So that should speak to how this hair is. The hair doesn't tangle. I haven't had any shedding, at least not that I've noticed. As far as curls, I think it holds a curl. Does it hold the best curl? Again, I'm not a beautician, so my curls, this is what my curls look like. This is what my curls look like. So I don't know. But to me, it holds a good curl. I hear you can dye this hair. As you can see, you could cut this hair. I plan on reusing it, washing it, and reusing it. Personally, I would suggest this hair. As you can see, like I said, the quality is not giving beauty supply. It's giving high end. And it blends very well with my hair and my hair texture. So I really like that. It's very soft to touch. Even my husband, when I came home, was very impressed. And my husband's not even like a sew and weave type of guy. But he was like, oh, it looks really good. It looks really nice. You know what I'm saying? So I personally would suggest this hair, especially for the price, to be able to get 3 bundles for $132, and they're very full. I think she only didn't use like maybe 2-3 tracks, and I have a small head. So if you have a bigger head, you may want to invest in a 4th bundle just to be careful, just to get that full look. I normally do 2 bundles, but now I think I'm hooked to doing at least 3. I think from here on out, it's going to be 3 bundles for me because the fullness. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. You see it waving in the wind. You see it waving in the wind. Okay. And again, this is a quick weave, so a protective style. Because I do commute, I don't always have time to do my natural hair in the morning. So quick weaves are like a really quick, easy go-to for me. So chime in below if you tried this hair, if you would try this hair. Personally, like I said, I think this hair is chef's kiss. Would definitely grab this hair again. You can also get it in like 20, 22, 24. There's like different sizes that you can get it in, and you don't have to buy the bundle packs. Like say for instance, you already got some hair at home, you can buy a 14, you can buy 16, 17, not 17. You can buy 18. But overall, like I said, the quality of this hair, chef's kiss. This is a week being in, no tangles. As you can see, just run my hands through that. No tangles, no shedding. Bomb hair. Again, this is pink lemonade hair. Definitely go check it out. My beautician, Rooted Beyond Hair. I'm going to tag her. And let me know in the comments if you guys would try this hair, what you think about it. And yeah, it's your favorite pretty girl peeps. Told you guys this video was going to be less than 5 minutes. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And make sure you comment. Make sure you like so you can get more of this vibes. I know you guys like the vibes. You see the vibes. All right. Peace out. Bye.